Looks like it must be Christmas time here on the Poor Man's Railroad, 'cause I think I see Santa's train leaving the North Pole station. Sure enough, I think that's Santa's 282. Getting the head start coming around the track. Could that be Santa? Let's see. I think that's who I see, Santa. Coming around with a train of goodies coming from the North Pole on the Poor Man's Railroad. Look at all those boxcars of goodies. Oh, what's that? A spotlight. Looking for Santa. I think Santa's up there in the locomotive. Let's see, now that's the Lionel spotlight car. And what's that in front of it? Oh, looks like we got a carload of coal. That's definitely a hopper full of coal. Must be for all the bad boys and girls. Let's zoom in on that. And a Santa Fe hopper. Definitely a carload of coal. I hope you boys and girls were good this year. Good old Pennsylvania GG1, GE 44 tonner. Good old Rock Island 040. And there's Santa coming around. Big old train load of goodies. Come around on the Poor Man's Railroad. That's what Christmas is all about. Running trains here on the Poor Man's Railroad. Merry Christmas. I think she's coming around. That is quite the train load of goodies. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 boxcar loads full of toys. Here on the Poor Man's Railroad, we run trains. Christmas time. Here we got some vacationers going to see Grandma and Grandpa for Christmas. Looks like we got a work train back there in the background, sitting on the side track. Santa in the locomotive running the train. 242 Atlantic. Fast steamer. And what's that I see? I think I see Rudolph the reindeer being chased around that gondola. Looks like there's an elf in hot pursuit, trying to catch that rascally reindeer. Round and round she goes, coming down from the North Pole. Lionel Christmas train. Nice spotlight car. Looking for Santa. She's up there in the cab, running that train. Rest of the carload, boxcar from Pennsylvania Railroad. Happy birthday to the bear, teddy bear train. Probably packed full of teddy bears for good boys and girls. All right. This is what Christmas is all about. Bringing toys to the good boys and girls. And don't forget, we did spot that hopper full of coal. So you better be good. Or else that's what you're going to get right there. All right. Round and round she goes, stopping off at all of the big cities for the boys and girls. She's really moving down that main line. Oh, here she comes into the first stop. First station stop. Okay. See, there it is. That's definitely Santa up there in that cab, isn't it? Will that focus in? Focus, camera, focus. There? No, not quite. There, that's a little bit better. Yeah, that's Santa alright, I'm telling you. Take my word for it. See that? Rudolph and the little elf chasing him. Not sure what was in there. Loaded up Republic gondola. Lionel, 1900 to 1999. 100 years of running trains. Merry Christmas. Look at that. What's that in that window that boy's looking at? I think that's a GG1 right there. Yeah, it won't focus in. Sorry, people. Once again, you'll have to take my word for it. That looks like a GG1 in that toy shop window. That little boy's got his eyes on. Pennsylvania. Less than a carload. Service boxcar. Here we got a Rio Grande. The Rio Grande boxcar. Happy birthday to the teddy bear. Definitely full of teddy bears. Coal. Spotlight car. And of course, we always got the old cabin car in the back. Can't have a train without a caboose. Alright people, I hope you have a very great Christmas. And I'm signing off. Working Man Dan on the Working Man's Railroad. Maybe we'll line something else up for the main line for y'all.